Corpus Christi as a Clifford Street downtown, 25th of July at the 2 p.m. This hurricane is coming from the Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Hanna is not yet touching the landfall, but probably touching the 1 or 2 hours later. There is a alert warning, and the power is shut on. Nobody has the power, and water also probably in the next hours will get dirty and cannot drink it anymore. Very quiet everywhere. All the business is closed. Power is off. No power in this area for the 5-6 hours. Rain get fast and sometimes get slow, but we don't know what's happening. See the palm tree, all the palm tree. Sometimes get the worse, sometimes get the cold. We're very close to the cold park, and just a 5-minute walk, but it's very scary if you want to walk and look at that area, because nobody knows what's happening in the next few minutes.